Hey nail friends, so here's a preview of the nails we're going to do in this video. I don't want to waste any of your time, so let's get right into it. I am doing a gel ombre look for you guys. I'm using only 2 colors and no extra brushes, just the brushes that come in the bottle. They're both from the Savvyland 32-piece jelly kit, and this is number 19 I'm starting with. What I'm doing is placing it most concentrated down by the cuticle, and kind of as I get less and less on the brush, I'm just like feathering it out. This is really easy. I definitely recommend, if you're a beginner, start with jelly polishes, just because they're more forgiving. So yeah, just concentrate your color at the cuticle area, feathering it up, and love that my hair got in frame. I thought I was doing so good. But yeah, so I'm in a different filming spot for this video. I just kind of felt like doing it at the dining room table, and I actually think it looks pretty good. Let me know what you guys think, because I do have a window right next to me, and I think it produced pretty good light. Yeah, so I'm pretty happy with that. So we're just going to continue that first coat on all the fingers. And always make sure to try your best to not flood your cuticles. If you do, you can always just take some acetone or rubbing alcohol and just clean it up with a little brush or a little, I like to use the little wooden stick or sponge tip applicator things. But yeah, I'm going to do this. I'm going to cure it, I believe, for 30 seconds, and I'm going to do a second coat of this pink color. And yeah, so I did upload a short on how I did these gel overlay nails. I didn't like do a tutorial. I just did like a before and after, because I only did overlays like 3 times so far, and honestly it's the only way my nails stay on for a really long time, so I wanted to do it this time and see how long I can actually get them to last. So if you want to check out that short, it's on my channel. It just shows like the before, the filing, after the fill, and then this is what I came up with for the decoration. Yeah, so we are doing the second coat, same thing, focusing it mostly at the cuticle area and then feathering it up as best you can. The purpose of this is, for me, I didn't want to use any extra brushes. I have brushes, but why dirty a brush when you really don't have to? With jelly polish, you can really get away with a lot. So just take your time, and if I can do this, I promise you can do it too. And obviously the overlay didn't come out absolutely beautifully perfect, but I mean 95% good. So I'm pleased with it. Yeah, so like I said, I'm gonna leave these nails on as long as I can, and I'll definitely keep you guys updated. And while I have some time to just talk, the nail tips I used that I featured in the short and then I have on here, I got them off of Shein. You can also get them from Temu. I believe they're like $4 to $6. You get 240 of them in the pack, and honestly they're my favorite nails that I've tried so far. They're pre-etched, pre-buffed. I mean, I still etched the inside because I was being extra with this set, because I really want to actually keep them on for once in my life. So yeah, I will link them down below for you if you're interested. They are very, very good nail tips. And now we're finally taking the Periwinkle Blue Jelly color. This was number 26 from the jelly kit. And we are just going to add that to the tip of the nail, feathering it out when we reach the pink area. So kind of like opposite, concentrate most of your color towards the tip and mid shaft, and then as you get towards the pink, you want to have less paint gel on the brush to kind of mesh it together. And always coat your tip, what's the right way to say that? I don't know. Cap the tip of your nail. It just prevents chipping, and it just looks better. So we're moving on to the pointer finger here, doing the same thing, and just, yeah. I hope this is helpful to you guys. I mean, don't let the fact that if you don't have, like, say, fancy brushes or anything, you can still make great nail art and nail sets. You just gotta take your time and practice, honestly. I mean, I still need practice. I'm not a professional. I just do this because it's what I love to do. So yeah, I'm sure if you used a brush, you could get a more precise look. Maybe in the future I'll try that. But I'm really pleased with how these ended up turning out. And you can get these gel polishes on Amazon. They're really good priced. I really like all the colors. Jelly polishes are my absolute favorite, so yeah. And we are just going to do the middle and the pinky finger, which I don't know why I went to the ring finger, but yeah. So we're just going to finish up doing the blue on these couple of fingers, and then we're going to get to the top coat. And I tried my best to cut out the curing process throughout this video just to save time, but through each coat I did about 30 seconds, and then when I was all done I did a 60-second, and then on the top coat I did a 60-second as well. Okay, so this is the top coat right here, which I've absolutely been loving. It is a no wipe glitter top coat. I got it off of Shein, and it was honestly one of the best things I've ever bought. So just make sure you apply a nice even coat, a nice thick coat, and cure that. I'm doing a full cure after this, and we're all done after that. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to comment, subscribe, and like. I'd really appreciate it, and I will see you in the next one. I hope you enjoy the rest of the video.